Should call him. I have it there. You want me to send it to you, Rodrigo?
Please. Yo, my cross-eyed is crazy, man.
Nice.
It's like I'm looking that way. It's like, wait a minute.
Yeah, send it to me, Lewis, please. Looking the other way and shit.
Yeah.
What was the duplex address? Or what's the fourplex address?
1190 Northwest 8th Avenue. I need to take some pain meds. It's just starting to hurt. I think I have some Motrin here. I got some old school oxycodone here. How much he's selling the streets for, huh? If we don't sell any fucking real estate, might sell some oxys to make a little money.
Yeah. Oh, you know who? Camilo flipped it twice. How funny.
Really?
Camilo, look, I'll show you. Take over the screen.
Interesting. Yeah, where are my... Camilo flipped it twice, huh?
The same lot, flipped it twice.
And like back to back, or
In 2016 and then in 2017.
interesting. I wonder if that lot they built on it now.
The property address is 727 Northwest 12th Street, Rodrigo. I'll send it to you in
Oh, of the guy that bought it? Got it.
the vacant lot that sold for 540 down the street.
Wow. Very interesting, Papa. Okay, so I'm gonna make these two quick, guys. So,
Please.
all right, the next one is there. So I got these two lots. They're off market. I got them through a realtor. We got to split 50-50 on the profits here, if any, with a guy who referred me these deals, pretty much.
With the next two that we're going to talk about right now.
Yep. Yeah. So maybe I should put that here somewhere, right? I'm gonna put here 50-50 profit split. Just so we kind of remember. Okay. Anyways, so I think I have one of these lots pulled up. So I have, this is 752. So these lots are in a pretty decent area, right? They're in, let me change this up. They're in this like Allapattah, not Allapattah, more like a little Haiti type of area. 32nd Street, here's I-95. Pretty up and coming, right? Like here's we're here, Midtown, and this is lots of right here. Design districts like over here. So they're a good area, right? It's like right by Midtown, right by Wynwood, all this shit. But the only problem is they're tiny, 2,700 square feet. It's zone multifamily, but it's a tiny, tiny lot.
Yeah.
Let me see if anything has even sold. I remember I looked and I couldn't find, but let me check again here. Any other like lots?
No, they're not next to each other.
They're not next to each other, no. So let's put like vacant residential. A lot size, like a 6,500 square foot lot sold for 144. And that's about it.
How big is ours? Ours is 4,000?
No, 2,700 or something. No, 3,700, sorry. 2,700.
Both of them?
27?
No, this one's 27. The other one I think is 3. I have it here. So yeah, 5922 is 3,000 square feet, and 552 is 2,700 square feet. So that's the thing. The only little comps are, you see, like you got this. I Oh, this is a condo. Sorry. Let me see. Zoned property use vacant residential. Let's see if there's any like little residentials that have sold. No. The best we can come up with right now is a 6,500 square foot lot sold for 144. We got these lots under contract for 80 each. There is possibility for a big reduction here, so bear that in mind. There is possibility for big reduction. I think I could probably get another 10K off each pretty easily. However, the goal here, the way I think about this is the goal is to get feedback. If the buyers don't want to give us feedback, then it's up to dispositions or somebody to get feedback. What do I mean by feedback? Give me something from the city. What can we build? What can we not build? What is it used for? What would somebody pay for it? Once it's built up, like, what can we do? Can we build a 1-1? Can we build a 2-1? Can we build a little duplex? Can we build, like, what can we do with these fuckers? And that is basically the play here. After what can we do, then I'll go in for a big reduction. The guy bought them for like 29K each or something. So I know he has some room. He's pretty motivated. I started at 60,000 each, and then they started at 120 each. So we met at 80 because he kind of didn't want to negotiate anymore without a contract. I said, all right, we'll get him under contract, but just know it's more than I'm willing to pay. And we have 12 days inspection period here.
Did he tell you what were the plans when he bought it, the property?
No, he just bought them at auction kind of for fun. Was like, kind of, yeah, just like, I don't know, speculation, I guess.
How long ago?
Earlier this year. Says it right here. We bought it in 2019. In April for 29, yeah. And at auction. So there's 29 after fees and everything. He paid like 32, 33 for this lot. And the other one I think was like the same.
I've gotten on land like that, and small land. I've spoken with this guy that does. He brings like already built homes from China.
Yeah, prefab.
Prefab. He's an engineer.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, look, like, is there a buyer for this? Sure. Is this the price? Probably not. I mean, I just want some feedback so I know where to go from here. Like basically he's willing to reduce, but he wanted a contract, so we gave him a contract. So I mean, I'm okay with even putting this thing out at fucking like 85 each. We have it at 80. Put them at 85 each just to see what people say. Hey, no, man, never. I'd pay 60 because of this. Oh, okay, cool. No, never, man. I would pay 10,000 because of this. Okay, cool. Oh no, or I like that price because of this. Like, give me a little something, and then within a couple of days, I'll just ask for a reduction. I won't let it linger so long. And then I'll just shoot them an email, text, whatever, and tell them where we got to be at. But the reason I got them under contract is I really like these areas, right? Like this is a badass area. Let me put the other one here so you guys can see the other one. Right now I'm which one? I'm at 752. So let me go 5922.
Trying to search by lot size. Because it is duplex zone, no?
Yeah, they're both multi-family zone. This one's a little bit bigger. See, like there's little houses that have been built on the same size lot. Oh no, this is both lots. This one
How many
is
square feet is it? You said 3,000 square foot lot?
yeah, one's 3,000, the other one's 2,700. Look, here's Lemon City Park. Remember Lemon City Studios, Rodrigo? Right here. So this is a little bit further down the road, but it's still kind of like a good area. So Biscayne's right here. It's just a good area. This could either be for a speculation investor or someone who is okay building a little 2-1, or maybe someone who eventually plans to buy out multiple lots and do something. Like, yeah, this area was for, oh look, this one he bought it for 64. So this one's worth a little bit more. And we got this one for 80 also. After fees and everything, he really bought it for like 68.
This one's zoned T5, and the other one's T4, I noticed.
Yeah.
But, I mean,
Oh.
they're too small to build them on. We're gonna have to.
Yeah. I looked around and I saw that people did build on little lots, but there were 2 1 houses.
Gotcha. Have to be a single family.
It's got to be single family build then, right?
It's zoned multi, but I'm sure like what you're allowed to build is probably more single.
Yeah, when you do the ratio of units to. Like,
Unless who are these neighbors?
Yeah, maybe those neighbors want to buy it.
The neighbors to these vacant lots. I mean,
Yeah, so you can.
One's actually the one is look. This one, if you guys are seeing my screen, this one's a corp, 5900 Northwest Ave.
like
And
that's probably going to be your best bet to just.
this one's a corp too, for 5900. This is 5900 right here. Both of these are different corps. So this is a corp and this is a different corp, and this one is a different corp. So you got 3 corps that could use this to either build something else. This guy could use this for parking. This guy could use this to build another one. And this guy could use this for parking or for like, extra space.
As
So
far as so let's say getting the one thing, the issue with that was that that we can't TLO these people.
Why? We could too low.
We could.
We just have, instead of having 1,000 searches a month, we have 250 or 300 searches a month.
Oh.
So we still have searches. We're just not abusing it like last time because the bills were $1,200 a month. But yeah, we're paying for TLO for I think 300 searches, Lou, right? Something like
Like 300, yeah.
Oh, then that's perfect. Yeah, for this one and the other one. Okay, I wasn't. I thought it was
Yeah.
only like
You just can't log in from overseas.
Argentina.
So you'd have to get like somebody to help you out from here.
You have to do it at night.
Well, you could log into the other computer.
Or during the day, like
Yeah.
through TeamViewer.
You could log into exactly like my laptop through TeamViewer and then use the domain from here.
a
'cause
4,300 one.
For the land, I feel like that'd be best. And the 5. Oh, over there for Tampa, for sure.
Yeah, for Tampa, definitely.
But I don't know if Tampa has the
There's
same.
only There's only one guy there that worth TLOing, which is the one that Lewis showed that bought for 320. Should show cash down the street.
I'm saying like the areas around, the people that own property in that neighborhood that are like willing to own property there.
I don't see any residential. I don't see any duplex plus lots under 6,000 square feet that have sold in the last ever.
Yeah, look, someone else bought a lot literally right down the street for 64K, the same size. 64K, same size.
Probably him, no? That's not him. That is him. That's him.
Oh yeah, because I clicked on the lot next door. Yeah, that's it. My bad. So then we got here 7,200. That's very cheap. We got here 255K. But I think there's a house on here. Another 62K for 4,300. 130K for 4,500. My guess is that they knocked us down because of 1938 build. So, I mean, what do you guys think? Should we even market it, or should we just get more information on the city?
I would lean toward getting more information with the city.
Before we market it?
Yeah.
What type of see what they could build on it?
Yeah, what can we build on this little fucker?
Oh, or you just send it out at exactly that price and let the people tell us.
Yeah.
Send it out at 80.
Yeah.
Just go for no real.
And the people say.
Yeah, send it out there and see what the fuck feedback people give.
That's the thing. If we send it out 80, might as well send it out a little bit of a profit just in case.
Like 85.
Yeah, 80, 84.9 or 85, something like that. And just to see what people say.
I do know they had it listed too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, this was listed for like 150 though.
Mm.
These people listing these properties, man.
Like crazy, man.
It was listed, but didn't sell, obviously.
So what do you think? We send out 84.9? Because here's the thing: either fucking you or you or Adrian get the feedback from the city and spend 3 hours on the phone, or you have a buyer do it for you.
Yeah, that's why I quickly changed my mind on that one. Especially we got an avalanche of new properties now.
Yeah. Or you guys, or you and Rodrigo split $50 and send Vic to the city. You guys pay Vic $25 each, and he'll do it for you, and we don't send it out.
Yeah, one of those
And he
two.
goes to the city and checks out what.
Yeah, $50. He might charge you 60. I mean, it's gonna take him 3 hours. So
It's also gonna take you 3 hours of time listening to an explanation from Vic. So
yeah, so 6 hours of time.
so 6 hours of your time. I would just send it out if it was me.
So what do you guys think? 84.9. We send it out.
Yes, I agree with that.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt. Maybe somebody that likes lots. That's usually how it works.
Yeah, like you said, the main thing is just to get the feedback. I mean,
Yeah.
we,
The reduction part will be easy. I need something.
Yeah. We need that feedback.
I mean, now seeing that, he probably won't go lower than 62 on this one, on 59.22. But if I can get it at 65 and we can sell for 70, then we're onto something, you know. So yeah, I mean, I'll definitely there's enough to work here on as far as reduction wise. We just need a little something.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Sound good. So the 5-plex in Tampa for $299, and these two for $84.9 each.
Yeah.
You guys like it?
I like
Yeah.
it.
I think
All right. Let me stop share here. Okay. Let me. So all right, guys. Any other questions, comments, concerns?
did we ever figure out why all this is yellow? Did we do that on purpose?
No.
Yeah. Somebody put it on this.